Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know that transferring assets between exchanges is a key skill. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Modic from KuCoin to Bitmart in 2025. Modic, now known as Polygon, is a popular token for fast and cheap transactions, and moving it between platforms like KuCoin and Bitmart can help you manage your portfolio more effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, I'll walk you through this step by step to make it simple and secure. First things first, before we get started, ensure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Bitmart. You'll also need some Modic in your KuCoin wallet and a basic understanding of crypto wallets. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section and find your Modic balance. Make sure you're on the correct network. For Modic, that's the Polygon network to avoid any extra fees or delays. Next, Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to your Modic holdings. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, here's where you need to be extra careful. Go to your Bitmart account and navigate to the Deposit section. Copy the Modic deposit address from Bitmart. Double-check that it's for the Polygon network. Mismatched networks can lead to lost funds, so verify everything twice. Back on KuCoin, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Modic you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and review the network fees. These can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Step 3. Confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Bitmart wallet to confirm the Modic has arrived. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication on both exchanges to boost security. Also, keep an eye on gas fees, as they can fluctuate. There you have it. That's how you transfer Modic from KuCoin to Bitmart in 2025. It's a straightforward process, but staying vigilant is key in the crypto world. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.